One of the strategies most frequently used by users is to use shortcut key combinations to speed up the entry of elements or make certain procedures immediate. Think of Ctrl+D to duplicate the expression, or Ctrl+I or Ctrl+K for intermediate and close. Obviously, it is not possible to associate a hotkey with every mathematical element present in Lambda 2.0, so choices have been made, favoring the elements that recur most. With Lambda 2.0, it will be possible to add, remove or change the assignments of these combinations as required. For example, when dealing with angle measurements, one can associate keys to degree, first and second, by creating a new profile. The Profiles menu displays a list of active default profiles that can be selected. To create a new one, click on Customize. Add with plus a new profile. Give a name and tick the items. Copying information from the source profile. Copy status. Copying shortcuts. In this way, all default assignments are maintained. In the right-hand window, choose the element to which you want to associate a new hot button. For example, search first in Attributes and select. The chosen key is entered in the space provided, for example Ctrl+1. If the button is already occupied, a warning is displayed. Otherwise, by pressing Enter, the profile is saved and will be active until you want to remove it. Again, in Profiles, Customize, click on dash, which is the minus sign. The Lambda editor can be adapted according to the user's needs. In particular, it is possible to simplify the entry menu for mathematical elements by hiding those that are not used. You can hide an entire group, for example trigonometry, or one or more elements, choosing them from those listed in the group. It may also be appropriate to hide those that are used very often and are usually entered with direct keyboard commands. If their presence in the menus appears unnecessary, it is advisable to remove them to make them more compact and quicker to consult. Each customization is called a profile and is saved in a special file. The name of the active profile is shown on the status bar, last item on the right. In the profiles, it is also possible to change the hotkeys associated with the various mathematical elements. Profiles can be constructed for a student's general needs, which is for the type of studies followed and the class attended, but can also vary according to particular, specific, or contingent needs. We can, for example, design profiles for set theory, logic, trigonometry, in which we can make access to frequently used symbols or operators more immediate, either through menus, by placing them in the first positions, or hotkeys, assigning simpler and more compact combinations. Some user profiles, already prepared, are supplied with the program. Basic, suitable for elementary and middle school pupils. In addition to numbers, letters and basic operators, it contains the necessary elements for elementary algebra: brackets, fractions, roots, powers, some attributes for characters and numbers, and the main symbols of number sets. Comprehensive. This is the most comprehensive profile, suitable for high school and university students. All the mathematical elements of the Lambda system are present. To load an existing profile. Profiles menu, Customize. A window appears with two work areas. The left one shows the default and customized profiles. Select the profile you are interested in, and all the mathematical elements of Lambda 2.0 are displayed on the right-hand side. For each element, or group of elements, it is possible to enable or disable it via the tick in the Enabled checkbox. It is possible to assign a hotkey combination to each element. It can be entered in the appropriate box by typing it in full in the form Ctrl+ key, or Ctrl+ key 1, key 2 for double combinations, for example, Ctrl+ K in the first case, Ctrl+ G, D in the second. If the shortcut is already used, a warning appears. At the end of the job, the profile file must be saved, possibly under another name if a new profile is to be created. In the window there is also a button with a plus sign to add a new profile, a minus sign to delete a profile, and an up and down button to scroll through the list of profiles. When the program is opened, the last profile that was used is automatically loaded.